industry-leading security. Ledger wallets are a cut above the rest when it comes to securing your cryptocurrencies. They're the only hardware wallets on the market to be certified by ANSSI, the French cybersecurity agency. Their secret weapon is the Secure Element chip, which is top of the line in security. It's designed to withstand even the most advanced attacks and securely stores your private keys. To take security one step further, Ledger wallets also have their own custom operating system called Bolos. It isolates apps from each other and provides an extra layer of protection against malicious attacks. On top of all that, Ledger wallets have a built-in genuine check feature. This means that you can rest assured that your device has not been tampered with or compromised by a third party. Overall, Ledger wallets are a combination of technical security features and security certifications, ensuring the integrity and security of your crypto assets at all times. Ledger Enterprise. Ledger Enterprise provides institutional-grade security solutions for businesses and organizations that need to manage and secure large amounts of digital assets. Ledger Enterprise offers a range of services, including hardware and software solutions for multi-authorization, secure key storage, and compliance. These services are designed to meet the specific needs of financial institutions, exchanges, and other businesses that handle digital assets. The Enterprise division also offers Ledger Vault, a platform that provides secure key management and automation for institutional-grade custody and asset servicing of digital assets. Ledger Enterprise also provides enterprise-level support for consultation, including installation, training, and ongoing support. This allows these organizations to confidently manage and secure their digital assets, meet regulatory requirements, and keep their assets safe from cyber attacks in accordance with the needs of their business.